Chapter 12. In this chapter we are talking about contrary to fact situations. In other words, we're talking about something that we are wishing for, but it hasn't happened. It may not happen, it may, we don't know. So, it's not a fact, it's wishful thinking, right? That's why we call it contrary to fact situations. So this is called the present tense subjunctive, because it has present tense meaning. Now let's look at how we form this subjunctive. I'm going to give you some examples. If I were rich, that's an English example. If I were rich, right? It's wishful thinking. I'm not rich, but if I were, I could do all kinds of things. So, if I were rich, I would maybe buy a house. Or if I were rich, I would travel a lot. If he were here, he's not here, but if he were here, I would give him something to eat, for example. If I had, let's say money, if I had money, I could do whatever I wanted, for example. Now, all these are contrary to fact situations. We are wishing we had, we are wishing we were, but we don't have and we aren't. Okay, so in English we say, if I were rich, I would. In German we say, wenn ich reich wäre, würde ich. If he were here, I would. Wenn hier wäre, würde ich. If I had money, I could. Wenn ich Geld hätte, könnte ich. Now, how did we form this present tense subjunctive? Now that's the crazy thing. Look, were is the past tense, right? Had is the past tense, that's right. So we use the past tense form of the verb. You see it here in English, were, and in German, war, wäre. Then, what did we do in German to the original war? We added an umlaut, right? War becomes wäre. And then we added the personal ending. So for ich, it happens to be ich. I mean I. So when in German it sounds like wenn ich reich wäre. And the verb goes to the end of your first thought. Then you put a comma and then you continue what you would do. And you use würde. Okay. Now let's look at a conjugation of that. Wenn ich wäre. Past tense is war. We added the umlaut and the personal ending, right? Wenn du wärest, again, war, umlaut, personal endings. Wenn sie es wäre, past tense war, umlaut, personal ending. Wenn wir wären, if we were, war, umlaut, en. So, if we were, wenn wir wären. Wenn ihr wäret, war, umlaut, personal endings. If you all were. Wenn sie wären, war, umlaut, en. If they were. And the when always means if. That's very important. If. Okay? If. Now let's look at a form of if I had. So, wenn ich hätte, again, hatte is our past tense, umlaut, personal ending. If I had. Wenn du hättest, hatte, past tense, umlaut, est, personal ending. If you had. Wenn sie es hätte, again, hatte, past tense, umlaut, personal ending. If she or he had. Wenn wir hätten, hatten is the past tense, umlaut, personal ending. If we had. Wenn ihr hättet, if you all had, again, past tense, umlaut, personal ending. If you all had. Wenn sie hätten, past tense, umlaut, personal ending. If they had. And when always means if. That's very, very important too. So you learn it